in case anyone wanted to know how I made this mask, I'm going to walk you through it. It's relatively simple if you have a sewing machine handy. So we're going to start out with an 8x5 piece of fabric, cut that out, press it, make sure it's flat. And the next thing I'm going to do is press up a 1/4 inch on the long sides and sew that up. So once you have that sewn, you're going to give this a little accordion fold and then press that in place. And then what you're going to do is sew along either side here. Okay, so next what you want to do is figure out how long you want your ear hook straps to be. I have this red ribbon here, which I'm going to use. Now, I know that this is how long they need to be because I made one of these earlier, just trial and error, and I originally made the ear things too long. So I would say err on the side of making them longer than you need and then adjust them by sewing another stitch in because it'll be easier to make them shorter than longer. But what I'm just going to do is measure this against the one that I've already measured. And then on this, what I'm going to do is press this in, and then I'm going to sew the strap onto each side. So that's just the next step, and that's it. I'll show you the finished product. Here we have the finished mask. So I probably should have used a lighter thread, but I just couldn't be bothered to deal with that tonight. Is it super elegant and finished in the back? Nope. But will it cover my face if I really have to? Yeah. It won't really protect me from much, but it might protect other people if I have ick and I'm coughing. So if nothing else, this is a fun craft project for the oncoming apocalypse. I hope you enjoyed.